Is it possible to earn affiliate commissions on ClickBank with AI tool? I'm going to show you how we can start earning affiliate commissions on ClickBank using some AI tool. ClickBank is an industry-leading affiliate marketplace. Over $7.3 billion in affiliate commissions have been paid out on ClickBank. And to join the over 100,000 active ClickBank affiliates, to get access to over 1,000 ClickBank offers that we can start promoting right away, you simply want to click on Affiliate Start here and enter in a few simple details to create your free ClickBank account. After creating an account, type your username here and log in by entering your password. Once you log in, the website will open like this. Now you need to click on the marketplace. If you want to see top offers in ClickBank, click on Top Offers. Or if you want to see offers in a specific category, you can click on All. You can see the list of all categories here. Choose offers according to your niche like home and garden. Check out this first offer, Ted's Woodworking. I'm showing you how you can find a perfect offer. This is an affiliate offer connected to a woodworking site. If you want to promote this offer, you can generate your affiliate link here. Select your affiliate nickname and then click Continue. I will tell you at the end of the video how the affiliate nickname will be generated. Filling in tracking parameters helps you find out where your sales or clicks are coming from. What to write in the traffic source. Here, write the name of the platform where you are sharing your link. For example, Facebook, Google, YouTube, or newsletter. What to write in traffic type. Here, write whether the traffic is paid or free. Example, CPC for paid ads, organic for free search. What to write in campaign. Write the name of your main promotion or offer. Example, Summer Sale 2026, Weight Loss Promo, or product launch. What to write in creative. Here, write the name of the ad's design, banner, or text so that you can know which ad is performing well. For example, banner blue, text ad 01, or video ad V2. What to write in ad. The specific name or number of the advertisement, especially if you are running multiple ads in the same campaign. Example, ad group 1, sidebar ad. What to write in exclude. It is generally left blank. It is used to automatically pass external tracking IDs like Facebook or Google. After filling in all the things, you can copy the link you created here and start promoting it. Here you can see the affiliate page. Click on it. You can see all the important details of the product you want to promote. Product videos are available on the affiliate page. You can also see the sale page here. You can check on the sales page whether there is any mention of a money-back guarantee or not. If it's mentioned, the product is good. Now it's time to find out which product to sell, the one that customers are buying. What should the numbers be when selling a good product? In affiliate marketing, it's the average per conversion, future, gravity, EPC, and conversion of a profitable campaign that makes it a marketable product. Average per conversion, total $65.90. This is the average amount an affiliate marketer earns for each successful sale. Initial, $65.90. This is the average commission amount you receive immediately when a customer purchases the product for the first time. Future, recurring earnings, if a value, such as $20 or $30, is listed here, it is considered very good. But it is empty here, which is not a good thing. The conversion score should be 2% to 5% or higher. Here we see that it is 0.42, which is low. This is not a good thing. The gravity score should be between 40 and 100. Here we see that it is 77.40, which is good. If gravity more than 100, then this is in high competition. The EPC score should be at least $1 or higher. Here we see that it is 0.28, which is low. This is not a good thing. Overall, it can be said that this product is not suitable for sale. In this product, average per conversion, initial value, and gravity are fine, but the other metrics aren't right for selling this product. Additional products are listed below. You can evaluate whether promoting them is profitable based on the right metrics. We have provided a link to the list of best-selling products in the description. Just click and download. Now I will show you how to generate a nickname to create an affiliate link. First, click on My Profile, and then click on Accounts. Next, click on Create Nickname. Select the account type and scroll down to the Affiliate Promote Product section. Then, Type a nickname. The nickname should be between 5 and 10 characters long. Your nickname is ready. After that, click on Sign Up. Thanks for watching. We will be back with more videos.